Hey everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to link a button to an email address in Wix. So without further ado, let's get started. So open Wix and here you will see your website, and if you want to add a button, what you need to do is simply click on this add elements. Okay, so you can choose number of types of button that are available here. So I'm just going to select one. Okay, so I've selected this one. You can select any one which you want and just place it wherever you want. Now if you want to link your email address to this button, what you need to do is simply click on this link option here, and here you will find a number of options to choose from, and you will see an email option here. So just simply put your email here. I'm just going to put my email here. And then click on done. And that's it. Your email has been linked to this button. So if someone click on this link, it will redirect them to your email address. So that's it for today. Hope you found the video helpful. Thanks.